Alright guys, got the Corvette back over here at the shop, and I have to put on our wing that I got. It's the ZR1 Type wing. They actually call this a spoiler, this little black piece right here. So it actually, where some of them, you have to pull this off and mount your light back in it, and it bolts back down those 4 holes, and then you have to drill holes. This is a no drill spoiler, so it actually fits that little spoiler up inside of it, and then this lays flat and only uses 3M tape to go down. So it's got that really heavy duty 3M tape, and it says it's to do 2 lines. I'm going to load that thing up with 3M tape, stick it down there. I think it's going to work pretty good. Is figure out how far the wing comes over, and then go ahead and hit this with some kind of wax and grease remover. Something that's not too hard on it, but will pull off any of the wax, so it'll stick down firmly to the car. And it is from Ikon Motorsports. Let's see what it looks like, and then we'll get some tape on it. Okay, there it is. I think that looks pretty good, and I like the flat black. That's the way I ordered it, because I wanted it to kind of match the diffuser on the car and some of the other black accents. So you can get them painted. It's like another $100 more, but I really wanted the black color. So, and on the back side, you can see here that our original little spoiler actually fits up in here, and this is flat across the bottom. Now the other ones are not flat, so they're like hollow, and they've got just little spots for screws down through them. So this should work really good. Right, first line of tape is down. I'm gonna add a few strips through here, another line across the back, and then I'm gonna put some up into here too. All right guys, this thing is covered in tape. Now, and I heard about one guy, I don't even know that this was on a Corvette, but he said that he just used 2 lines of tape around the outside edge, and his was fine, but this should definitely be fine. Now, some of these won't be as easy to line up. This one's gonna be pretty easy, because all we have to do is center it between the tail light. If it doesn't have a tail light piece on your wing, then you definitely wanna measure each side on the car, put some tape down, line it up before you go sticking it on the car. So, but this should be fairly easy. What I'm gonna do now is kind of tape back these ends so I can grab them from the other side. So this is what I'm talking about, just preparing the edge so you can pull it from outside when it's down. Alright guys, got all my little ends taped back on here. So I'm just gonna try to line it up, get it set down, and then we can see where it's at and start pulling off our tape here. Just gonna line this up just a little bit. Get that pretty much straight. That should be pretty close. Oh yeah. It's gonna look pretty good. It actually set right on there. Looks like it fits really good. Sweet. Yeah, I definitely think these cars, I don't know that they need it, but I feel like they kind of need something just as flat as that is. I like the little kick up. So that looks pretty good. Pretty good. That looks nice. I like how these body lines kind of roll into it there on each side. It's got just a little bit of height to it, not nothing crazy. It looks like it's supposed to be there, and the matte black matches pretty good. I think I'm pretty happy with that. There we go. That looks pretty wicked. All right guys, on the wheels, do have a little pole for you popping up in the top right corner of your screen, and I want to see about these wheels. So the silver looks all right. I mean, it looks okay, but I don't know about the silver wheels. I do like the wheels, and I like these wheels when they're polished all the way. They look great, and I don't want to spend the time polishing them, because that would be kind of insane, try to get all this paint off and then try to polish them. But I'm thinking if they were like a gunmetal gray or like a gloss black, they might look pretty good. So let me know what you think.